Hey guys, so I am back. So this is going to be a video on this hair. I will get into that in just a second, but this is the actual completed look of the hair. I'm going to just use my same intro because I don't want to redo it. But yeah, I had to put my concealer in my part, so that's the only difference in the next clip. So let's roll it. I see it. It's giving piano. It's giving highlights. It's giving cutes. It's giving summer. It's giving fall, winter, all of it. Okay, so if y'all want to know where this hair is from, then keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so I had to redo my intro because I showed y'all the wrong company. Okay, so this is from Beauty Forever Hair, and inside of the box I have a satin bag that I can store my wig in, which is really nice. I like when they include that. The wig came in a plastic bag, and then also we got some wig caps, some lashes, a wig grip band, and some jewelry. Let's see what kind of jewelry we got this time. So we got another necklace. I don't know if it was Beauty Forever, but another company sent me a little cross necklace. I'm probably gonna keep these, y'all, and do like whenever we have our Christmas party, use them for prizes. So that's what came inside of the box. And then the hair is a 26-inch, and this is a closure wig. I'm not sure if it's 5x5 or 4x4. I can't really tell right now because I haven't been doing that many closures lately, so I don't know. I can't really tell, but I just decided to do a straight middle part with no leave out, just really sleek and straight. And it is really cute because recently I did do a wig from Beauty Forever, and it was a frontal wig, so I did some curls in it and stuff. So, and that one was in a side part, so I wanted to do something different because the highlights are kind of similar to that other one. So this is just a lot faster. That's why I love closure wigs, because bleaching is faster, plucking is faster, installing is faster. Everything is just faster with a closure because it's smaller than a frontal is. So yeah, and I think it turned out really nice. I didn't even use a cap underneath. I just put some concealer in the parting area to make it pop out. And y'all know my hair is dark underneath, but it turned out so cute. I love the highlights, and you could definitely see the piano effect on the side, like how it goes dark, light, like y'all see that, and then it kind of just goes into highlights. It does have that piano effect in the front for sure. But yeah, it's so cute. And I didn't trim it or anything. I didn't do any face framing layers or anything because I just wanted to show y'all how it looks and just basically do a really simple install for anyone who doesn't know how to do all of that stuff. You can still get a really nice, sleek, pretty look without doing all the extras, if you will. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned for the video if y'all want to see how I did it. So okay, dolls, so this is super beginner friendly and super easy. So I'm just putting the wig on and I'm keeping the lace on for now. So what I'm gonna do is go in and just part the hair. It works better sometimes whenever you kind of do that motion where I'm kind of like moving the comb in and out to get the part nice and straight. And then you can see how the hairs kind of have like a bump in it. So I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and just start to press that down to kind of mold the hair to go the way that I want it to go. But later on we will smooth it out and get it super flat. But for now, this is just like the beginning stages of getting the hair nice and flat and kind of training it to go the way that you want it to go. So then I go in and kind of part it off using my finger, just really easy, simple. It doesn't have to be straight. And then I did take a wax stick and I'm gonna put that on the hair to really get it nice and flat. And the wax stick is gonna melt the hair down into place and really lay it down, like the old school press and comb kind of method. And then I go in and part back again and put the wax stick down once again, and then go back in with the hot comb and flatten it out. If you have more lace or if the hair is giving a really big bump, then you may have to do more sections. With this hair, with it being a closure and the bump was not for big, I didn't have to do a lot of different sections to part down to get the hair to come out nice and flat how I wanted it to be. Okay, so now I've worked my way to where the actual part is at. So you can see I did part it again just to make sure everything is super straight and everything. And then I also applied the wax stick once again, and then I'm just hot combing it down. And then of course you want to do the same thing on the other side to get the other side nice and flat as well, so that everything matches and you have a really flat install, especially since we're wearing it straight. You just want it to look like it's growing out of the scalp. So I'm just doing that and working my way up to the top part where the actual parting is at, and using the wax stick and the hot comb. So now you can see I have brushed the hair back on one side to move it out of my face, and then I'm going to cut off those tabs that are on each side of the lace, because this is going to get in the way of getting your lace to lay down really flat, because it's like lace folded doubled up. So I just cut that off, and then I'm going to be taking my Wig Dealer melting spray and just spraying it down the hairline to get my melt going. Okay, this spray is the bomb. I definitely need to pick up another one because I am running out. It's only like a little bit left in my can, and I feel like this spray is different from a lot of other, you know, lace sprays, because this one is more so like waterproof. I wouldn't say like get in the shower and just wet your whole head, but whenever you are using your wrapping mousse to do like baby hairs and stuff, the lace stays down. Like it doesn't start to lift up like some of the other sprays tend to do. So you can see I'm just using my blow dryer and the edge of the rat tail comb to press the lace down into place to blow dry it down. And then once I do that, I'm going to go in and cut off the lace. So I go in and cut a part in the center, and then I cut off one side of the lace at a time. And then I'm going to go in and cut off the other side as well. I'm sorry if y'all can hear that. The air just kicked in. But I'm going to go in and cut the other side off as well. And just cutting as close to the hairline as possible, but also trying not to make the part super straight. You still want it to be a little bit jagged. And then I just cleaned off any excess spray that was on the hairline, and then I'm going to go back in with the same spray and just lightly spray the hairline, and this is just going to melt it even further and also give you a better hold on your wig. So after I do that, I'm using the edge of the rat tail comb once again and the blow dryer on a cool setting to press the lace down into the skin. You can see how it's looking. It's already looking like scalp. The only thing is you can't really see the scalp that much because I haven't put any concealer in the parting yet, which we will do later. So I'm just going back in with my flat iron and just flat ironing the hair a little bit more just to polish off the look and get the hair nice and sleek. I did already flat iron the hair previously off camera, but I just go back in and kind of flat iron the front area of the hair and everything like that. And then I'm just using the hot comb once again. And now you can see how long the hair falls on me and how the hair looks. This color is really pretty. It has a lot of highlights in it and everything. So really cute and super easy and fast to do. I really like that piano effect in the front of the hair. So this is how the hair is looking. I am 4'11", and this is where the hair falls on me. If you want it to look more sleek, you can go in and trim off those ends and do like a straight across, you know, kind of cut. But I am going to take my concealer now and just put some on a small angled eyeshadow brush or angled brush, and I'm just going to use that in the parting area, and then also go in with my wrapping mousse and just tap that into the parting area on top of the concealer to really melt it down into the lace so it really gives a scalp like appearance. And then once again go in with the blow dryer and just blow dry that back down into place. And that's pretty much it. Like, this is super fast, easy, and beginner friendly. Okay, doll, so this is the completed look of the hair. I had to go back in and put my concealer in my part because I just realized the part wasn't popping out, and obviously because I didn't do a cap underneath or anything. So Now this is the finished look, and I already had filmed the intro, outro, all of this, so I gotta redo it. But yeah, this is how the hair turned out. I just wanted it to be nice and straight so you can really see all of the color in the hair and like those piano tones. And I recently did a color like this with curls, so I was like, let me just do it straight and you can really see all of the really nice highlights. I didn't do any cutting or anything. I wanted to keep it really simple and easy for y'all. But of course you could cut layers or do some curls or whatever you want to do. But this wig turned out really nice, and it got nice and flat, and it's giving scalp, although it's a, you know, a color. But yeah, I think it turned out super cute. And if you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.